dog, his tail goes wag, wag, wag. He runs around the garden fast, then jumps into my lap at last. I have a little happy dog, his tail goes wag, wag, wag. He runs around the garden fast, then jumps into my lap at last. Woof, 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 he loves to play, running in the sun all day, chasing balls and catching sticks, doing funny little trick. In the morning he says hello, with a bark both loud and low. He licks my face and jumps with joy, my playful fluffy little dog. Woof, 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 come run with me, through the park so wild and free, over grass and under trees, running softly in the breeze. When I'm sad and feeling blue, my little dog knows what to do. He sits beside me quietly, a friend so sweet as he can be. Woof, 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 don't be sad, think of all the fun we had. Every day is bright and new when my dog plays peekaboo. At night he curls beside my bed, dreaming dreams inside his head. Maybe chasing bones so high, or running under moonlit sky. My little dog, my best friend true, there's no one else as sweet as you.